In this video, you'll learn how to archive tasks in ClickUp. Archiving is a simple but really useful way to keep your workspace clean and focused without permanently deleting anything you might need later. Let's start with what archiving actually does. When you archive a task in ClickUp, you're basically putting it away in storage. It's removed from your everyday views, so it's not cluttering up your lists or boards, but it's still saved in the background. That means you can usually bring it back or review it later if you ever need that information again. This is perfect for tasks that are finished, no longer relevant, or just not something you need to see all the time. Now, to archive a task, first make sure you're in the correct space, folder, or list where your task lives. You can archive from most views, like list view or board view, as long as you can see the task itself. Take a moment to locate the task you want to archive. It might help to quickly scan the task name, assignee, or status, so you're absolutely sure you've got the right one, especially if you have similar task titles. Once you've found the correct task, move your mouse over it. On most devices, this will highlight the task row or card. Now, instead of left-clicking like you normally would to open the task, you're going to right-click on it. On a mouse, that's the right button. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click or a press in the bottom right corner, depending on your settings. When you right-click on the task, a context menu will appear. This is a small menu that gives you quick options for that specific task. In this menu, look for the option labeled Archive or Archive Task. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your ClickUp version or updates, but it will clearly reference archiving. Go ahead and click the Archive option. In many setups, ClickUp will ask you to confirm that you really want to archive this task. This is a helpful safety step so you don't accidentally archive the wrong item. If a confirmation message appears, read it briefly to be sure you're comfortable continuing, then confirm the action. Once you've confirmed, the task will disappear from your active list or board. That's how you know it has been archived successfully. You haven't deleted anything, you've just removed it from your main working view. This is especially helpful if you manage a lot of tasks and want to keep the focus on what's currently in progress. A quick tip: before archiving, it's a good habit to make sure any important details are complete. For example, check that time tracking is logged, subtasks are finished, and comments or attachments you care about are already in place. Remember, archiving keeps everything, but it also means you won't see that task in your everyday workflow unless you specifically look for archived items. That's all there is to it. To archive a task in ClickUp, simply locate the task, right-click on it, choose the archive option from the menu, and confirm. With this simple action, you can keep your ClickUp workspace organized, streamlined, and focused only on the tasks that truly need your attention right now.